Hello guys, welcome to DATAHACKS. Now we are in a 30th video of Next.js series. In this video, I'm gonna explain about catch-all API routing. Definitely, you should have the basic understanding of what is catch-all routing. If you don't know, don't worry. I will provide the link in the top right corner for the catch-all routing video. You can refer there. So let's start the catch-all API routing with the practical demonstration. In this demonstration, I'm gonna explain how to use the catch-all API routing in API. First, open the pages and open the API and create a folder called comment. Within this, I'm gonna create a index.js folder. So first of all, we have to create a function which is going to export handles, and first we will get the request, then we will provide the response. The order should be in the same way, either way it will affect your workflow. Next, response dot status 200 dot json object name, and the name is John. So let's check the API. npm run dev. So it will take a few seconds, don't worry. And we navigated to the home page. Check API slash comment. We have received the normal API routing. Next, we are going to check the catch-all routing. So again, I'm gonna create a new folder with catch-all routing syntax. So param dot js. Here again also we have to create the function which is going to export handles. So close, and again request response dot response dot status 200. So it's killing me. I hate this one. Okay, done. Let's check the JSON and put the data. Instead of putting this, you can leave it in the same way, and I'm gonna create constant params variable which is used to get the, here we have provided the variable params, here also we have provided the variable. So here request dot query. So we will receive these params and we are going to put them in the here. So let's check comment /1/2. So here response is not defined. Here we have mentioned in the wrong way, that's why. So we have received the 1 and 2. So if we provide more than 2 and all also we can receive any number of params here, like Bharat, like Natrayan, and again if we give, we will receive all the parameters. So in case if you don't, here I'm gonna remove the, okay, first I'm gonna remove the parameters, only comments. Here we receive the name John. In case you think we don't have the index page, I'm gonna remove this index page for comments. So you think here also the catch-all routing will work, but here it won't work because we don't have index. This catch-all routing will not work unless it have at least one params. To overcome this, we are going to change the syntax. Here we need to provide extra square bracket and so here we don't have any. Now I'm gonna remove this and object name Bharat. Now it will show, it is showing, correct? If I remove this optional catch-all routing syntax, it won't work. Here I have removed this and I'm gonna refresh again. We don't receive this because here we don't have minimum one parameter for catch-all routing. For catch-all routing, we should have at least one parameter or more than one parameter. If we use optional catch-all routing, if there is no data also, it will start to work. This is the difference between catch-all routing and optional catch-all routing. Now we reach the final part of this video. So please provide your solution for the difference between catch-all routing and the optional catch-all routing in the comment section. I am eager to see your comments. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel, you will get the updates regularly.